Hey, welcome parents. My name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram group in a minute. So at first, I'm going to my Telegram account. You can see this is my dashboard. Now I want to click here. You can see this option just here. So I'm going here. Then you can see here the type of a new group. Just click here. Then I want to click here. Then if you want to add your friends circle, contact list, so I'm not interested to add there. So scroll down. Now I need to select a group name. So I select ABC Adda. This is my group name. So now if I want to add an image, now click here. Then choose your gallery. Example of I choose this photo. So if you are not interested to add this photo, just scroll down. Then if you want to change any emoji, here the lots of emoji are available for free, so you can use any one. So just click here for this button. You can see this is button. Just click here. Wow, you can see my group are already created. Now I want to add member. So if you want to add more member, just click here. Then add member. You can see just copy invite link. You can see this link. Just copy this link, then share your invited person. Then if the interest, the click here, then join. And otherwise, if you want to add your contact list, here the friend circle, just click here. Example of I choose this CM, and then enter button. Then if you are a click add button, then they are automatically add your group. So I'm not interested to here, just cancel. So if you want more video about those type of, please subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell. See you in next video. Take care. Goodbye.